San Francisco International Airport is one of the largest aviation hubs in the world. Our project was part of a $2.5 billion investment. The idea was to rebuild an entire terminal without ever closing it.
We always collaborate, but this in particular was an interesting project because it's design-build. Our role on this project was to be project management lead as well as working on core and shell with Woods Baggett on the interiors. So it was a quite complex team that needed the collaboration, and we needed the right tools in a platform where we could be up to date and keep with the pace and complexity of the project.
Our direct client on this project is Austin Webcore. It's a joint venture of two contractors, Austin Commercial and Webcore Builders. Because this is a city project, we have to bring in licensed business enterprises, which are licensed with the city's small businesses.
There was a tremendous amount of integration and needing to make sure that the team was communicating, setting very clear guidelines, and that we were exchanging information clearly.
The Big Room is a collaboration concept. This brings together about 200 designers, architects, engineers, contractors to sit together and work really closely. Collaboration was a key component in this project, and all the stakeholders have really focused on that as a vision for the project.
Using BIM 360, it helped us bridge that gap between the four firms. Essentially, it took care of all that overhead, so that we had one common model in the cloud.
When you do have the fully integrated model, you can see every single bit of baggage handling system, structural system, mechanical, all the elements in there.
It really enabled us to communicate effectively and be on the same page. There are a lot of inefficiencies in the industry. This is a $1 trillion industry that loses about $100 billion each year. As creative professionals, we go through hundreds, if not thousands, of design iterations that need to be coordinated. That could result into a major loss to the building budget and time if not rationalized or set up in an integrated workflow.
We were located in the Big Room down at SFO, but we had team members working in other locations in the country and around the globe, contributing to the one model.
Bringing the best talent in the same geographic locations is not always possible, and that's why BIM 360 could be really effective in a way to bring them virtually together, and it's kind of like having them in a virtual Big Room.
The design team grew as we carried on through construction documents. We had at one point about 50, 60 people working on this file at the same time.
We were able to really put together an integrated framework, enabling a project to be more effective and streamlined throughout the process from the design to delivery.